Hazrat Umar bin Usman reports that Hazrat Usama bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where will you dismount in your residence in Makkah? He said, has Aqil left any property or house? Aqil and Talib inherited Abu Talib, but Hazrat Jafar and Hazrat Ali did not get anything, for they were both Muslims, whereas Aqil and Talib were infidels. Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu used to say that a Muslim does not inherit from an infidel. Ibn Shihab said that he would interpret this saying of Allah the Exalted. Undoubtedly, those who believed and left their herd and homes for Allah and fought with their wealth and their lives in the way of Allah, and those who gave shelter and helped, they are heirs one of another. Surah Al-Anfal, verse 72. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1588.